I don't know what we're on here. Let's see. We'll get to that in a second. I believe we're in still 1 minute sell stops. But we'll take a look in a second. Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. About to go live on TikTok. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I think we're live on TikTok now. We're live on YouTube as far as I know, but let me check that real quick. Yep, looks like it. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. YouTube. Let me see that. Yes. Oh, it looks great too. Wow. Looks fantastic. Good morning, 1, 2, 3. Did you get your message in the Discord and your emails? I sent out emails. All of you should have and could have made lots of money this morning. Unbelievable. Yep. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Get this going. Moving up and down, in and out. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So much. You can see so much more on TikTok. It's crazy. Anyway, let me get this thing on over here. Do I have time? My goodness, let's see. Oh shit. Market open in 4 minutes. Really? Hold on. Logical. Alright. Let's see. 4 minute, 4 minute, 4 minute. I'm just going to read off 1 minute sell stop, by the way. 1 minute sell stop. What are we in? US30 1 minute sell stop, hopefully. I don't know where you guys are at or where I'm doing. Let's see. NAS. Yeah, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Oh, that is so beautiful. Beautiful. Shit. 3 minutes market open. Oh, let's see. Hold on. Wow. What to do? What to do? NAS. SPX to the blue line. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Called it out this morning. A thing of glory. Wow. Easiest money ever made. Sent you guys messages. Sent you emails. Discord messages. Boom, boom, boom. That's the red, red, red. You'll see NAS turn red next. But let's see. So we have was called out 1 minute sell stop to the NASs. All three will do a buy stop to the blue line. That happened all overnight, by the way, 100% correct, just so we're all on the same page. That was perfection. We'll go over that in a second. Then a 30-minute blue line, 4 hours. So let's see. Crap, mega crap. Hold on. 5 minute buy stops. Yeah, 15-minute sells. So 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, like I call 15-minute. Is that 30? Yep, there you go. It's going to go down at open, I believe. This is the 30-minute, 1 minute sell stops and NAS 30-minute blue line. Yeah, I'm going to leave that up there. And that's cool. All right, in the meantime, I have to call 5 minute buy stops also. That is true. But if you already took the 1 minute sells, you're in the money on NAS, SPX. Yeah. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on NAS. And you're in the money on US30. So market open, you're either in the 1 minute sells right now, or you can try to wait for a 5 minute buy. See how that works out for you later on here. Yeah, but it's only formed the 15 minutes what I was looking at. 1 minute sells, 5 minute buys. Or if you really wanted to be patient, you're actually turning into daily buys right here. That's what you're looking at. But no one's that patient, not even me. Alright. Oh shoot, fire, why is that over there? I have where do the comments go? Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody everywhere. There we go. Good enough to see? All right, so either don't play the market open, or if you're going to play the market open, lock in profits, or you have to wait for another 1 minute sell stop, or you can just wait for a 5 minute buy stop. That's how you want to play this right now. Good morning, Mangela. Is that a good call? Absolutely. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Salvador. I think we're good. Now let's see over here. Oh, good. Market open, market open. Is that right? Yep, market open. Why didn't my alarm go off? All right, sell stop, 1 minute. US30. Sell stop, 1 minute. US30. Let me see now. Buy stop, 5 minute. Yeah. Buy stop 5 minutes. That's funny. 1 minute buy stop on NAS actually. Oh my God, I didn't see it. Let me see SPX. Yeah. And then go ahead and grab into that. That's fine. Let me see if our 5 minutes have engaged. Yep, your 5 minute on US30 would have engaged. Buy stop. It was just a 1 minute on NAS. And it was just a 1 minute on SPX. Let me move this over. Beautiful. Love it. All right, so take those if you can. I would still, let me see US30 real quick. No, nothing you can do. The 5 minute is engaged on US30. There's nothing you can do now. We'll wait for some 30 minute, 1 hour sell stops here. 30 minute probably, like I said before. 30 minute sell stop. Place it below the line on US30 and just wait. NAS 100. It is. And just wait. If they engage, they engage. If they don't, they don't. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop US30. 1 hour sell stop NAS. Not good enough. We'll stay right here. Sell stop SPX. In the meantime, 5 minute buy stop. 5 minute buy, 1 minute buy stop on NAS. 5 minute buy stop on US30. You're in a good amount of money depending on your entry. Right here I have an entry, 55 pips. So it's a 1 minute, it's a 30 minute. We're in a 1 minute / 5 minute buy stops. You're going to have to wait for that to pull back. And then 30 minute / 1 hour sell stop. I still want him to go down to the, we need to go down to the 30 minute blue line to 30 minute blue line. Just along the same page on that one. All right. So we'll wait for this to pull back if it will. That looks like a hard up. We're pushing the shit out of that. I don't know if we're going to get in again. Not anytime soon. In a minute. Let me see that. Yeah, let NAS pull back a little bit. And we'll see if we can get back in that one again. Yeah, there's nothing. So let's just try NAS on for size. If you're looking at my charts on US30 on TikTok, I have 4 charts open. Don't let that confuse you. This is for the advanced sniper entry. It actually is nothing right now. Nothing you can do with this one right now. There'll be another opportunity. You can do a 1 minute fill in the gap buy stop if you want, but I'm going to wait on this. Now, if you didn't take profit on NAS when it's up 30 to 40 pips, and you didn't take profit on that, boy, that's a bad decision on your part. Oh, it touched this blue line too, 5 minute blue line. That's beautiful for SPX. So I didn't get a chance to say good morning to everybody either. Not yet. Not yet. I think you're going to get a 1 minute buy stops and the 5 minute blue lines on NAS, SPX, and US30. I think NAS obviously is going to hit it. It's actually close enough anyways first. And then SPX, and then you'll see US30. But let's keep looking for any 1 minute buy stops until they hit. It will pull back again, I guarantee you. You could have got into that NAS one just a second ago, but it's not. These are just unofficial shit. I can't really do much with that. So I think this is our best bet. 1 minute fill in the gap, buy, stop, NAS. All right. Now, buy, stop, 1 minute NAS is all I can do right now. It's kind of ugly, but it is what it is. Erica, good morning. Dr. Bianca Adams, good morning. Good morning, Steve. All right, let's see over on YouTube. We're also live on YouTube. Let me see if I can pull that up for everybody. I sent out, good morning, Easy Pickens. I sent out some emails for you guys last night. And I called out those buy stops, the blue lines for you in the evening, and then I went ahead and did it again. You're in the money on that buy on NAS 100 right now. That's not an official buy stop. All right, this is a safety trade channel. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to come over to here, and we're going to go ahead and click on it. This is what the channel looks like right here, in case anyone was wondering. I'm not a financial advisor, never wanted to be, blah, blah, blah. All right, so this is it. 2,600, almost 2,600 a day. 614 videos. It says we're live. Let's click on that and see. And of course, we're giving us ads, which normally I hate, but I love, because it's in our thing. They're very ineffective, by the way. Oh, that was cool. There we go. Now, good morning. Let's see, who do we got here? Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, ALLT. Yes, ready for another great week. Good morning, Leela. Good morning, Hadassah. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Golden State. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Chris Milne. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Aladar. Good morning, Josh. Good morning, Keith. What's up, Keith Palmer? Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Nadal. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Kent. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Health Family Wealth. Good morning, Marlon. Good morning, Gabrielle. Good morning, Sam I Am. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Angela Taylor. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Good morning, Mark Davies. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Rinky. Audio's low. Well, that's what you get for an iPhone. Go over to TikTok and watch them both. Truck Driver Patriots. Good morning to the man, the myth, the legend. Yeah, that's you, Truck Driving Patriot. Good morning, Tammy. Good morning, Chris Milne. To the Blue Line rocked last night. Yes, it did. You're in the money on that 1 minute buy stop fill in the gap I just called out, by the way. Good morning, Tanny. Good morning, Chris. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, Gio. Good morning. We missed somebody there. Good morning, Cuban. Forex. Good morning, Stephanie. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Umar. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Raider. Raider Trader. Good morning, Philip. Good morning, what's this going on here? Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Kimberly. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, James T. Good morning, Stevie. Good morning, McCain. Good morning, Dr. McCain. And that's everybody. All right, 74 something or others, 32 likes. Okay, guys, let's get the thumbs up so I stay on YouTube, okay? Half of the people isn't acceptable. It better get to 60 before I even know what happened. I need thumbs up on YouTube to stay there, okay? Good morning, Billy. Good morning, Larry. Correct. Thumbs up, Larry. Oh, that was horrible. Who the hell? What the hell? 30 people with 78, 80 of you watching? Nah, that's not acceptable. That ain't happening. Nope. No, sorry, Bob. Not occurring. All right. So let's get over here. Let's get over that. And let's get over there. All right. So, 1 minute buy stops. I'll check 14 other symbols here for you guys in just a second. Move this out of the way. All right, so this is what we had. Last night, and in the Discord, I sent out messages to you all. I sent out messages. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. Everyone who signed up for the alerts. By the way, you're in a lot of money on that buy stop NAS fill in the gaps and when I can call through. So bingo, boppo, bango. So right about here, US30 hit its 1 minute. This was sent way more than 47 minutes ago. Hold on. This was sent 3 hours ago. So if you signed up for the alerts, you'll see US30 hit its 1 minute. Go ahead and look for the NAS SPX to hit their 1 minute. Then I sent out 2 hours ago. SPX hit its 1 minute. And then I sent out bingo, boppo, bango. NAS hit its 1 minute. So everyone had plenty of opportunities to buy in. I sent the emails out to everyone. There's over, 1,100 people on the mailing list, 1,200 people on the mailing list. And I also posted every one of these trades I called out for you in the Discord. That was free money giveaway today, even though it's Monday. And that's my live link. So I know you guys got those. If you didn't, that's your own fault. Oh, boy, I hope no one's talking on Discord. That's one with that. Oh, okay, just Keith allowed talk. Boom, boom, boom. Told you where we're going. Now let's take a look at US30 real quick. US30. Yep, it's going to go up too. Touch this blue line. SPX. Yep, SPX is going up, touches the line. So all we got was this NAS one, a little fill in the gap one. It was actually pretty shitty, to be honest with you. All right, guys. Ask me some questions. I'll be right back in 1 second. Just going to give Precious some kisses. Some little kisses. Love you. Thank you, hugs. And the kisses. All right, guys. Well, that makes me want to done it. All right. So, where are we at? Yep. Let this pull back down, and I think everybody on TikTok and YouTube will see a nice little pullback here. We'll use the sniper. It's reloading right down here. And we're going to another entry in on NAS. That's what I think we're going to see is NAS in the pull over here. Hold on a second. Hold on. Oh yeah, beautiful NAS. 1 minute buy stop, NAS 100. Nice pullback. Not enough, but it's good enough for us to open up a buy stop right here. Let this keep going down. That's beautiful. Go, little NAS, go. Look at NAS. Now, be careful. Do not forget for 1 second that you have these. Oh, we're not near it. Well, I would enter that. Are they messing with me again because I have such a small account? Hold on. I could have sworn we already set these up. I would take the sell stop right here. I absolutely would tell you if this goes down low enough and I don't have enough money in this account. Okay, that's the last time I'm using this account. Yeah, you're in the money on the sell on the NAS 30-minute that I called out and wrote out for you. Right there, 30-minute 1 hour sell stop. Take that money and get out. There's no need to stay in that trade. I tried getting in twice. I have such a small account, I'm unable. You're up 13 pips on that sell. Take the money. Now, there's also a, I'm going to drop this down too. 1 minute buy stop, 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. So I'm going to run this up and I'm going to go ahead and take this up. So you just made 13 pips on the way down. And if you want, take the buy on the way up right here. Again, this isn't for the faint of heart. If a lot of you, son of a bitch. Okay, I got to make a note. I got to go back into one of my bigger accounts. I'll send you this crap. It was doing it to me on Friday too. Remember it was US30, but I was still able to trade. But that's fine. I shouldn't have dropped so much money over there. Go in. I'm gonna go in for $100,000. The one I keep between 80 and 100. I'm gonna go on that one for you guys the rest of the week. All right. Now you're in the money on the buy stop that popped off my screen and won't engage. Now you're in the money. I had mine right here, I believe it was. 9 pips. Why did I have it right there? Because it's coming off the 5 minute, and it is a 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop. That's what this is. So there you go. And that's how I would play that trade. So you're in the money about 15 pips on the way down. You're in the money on about 15 pips on the way back up again. Again, if you don't like this kind of trading, don't trade it. See that. Here, hold on a second, guys. All right, you're in the money a lot on that buy stop. Steve said, Kevin, you're sending that calls. What's up, Steve? What's up? What's up, Ray? Whatever you say, John. How much is it going on? All right, guys, hang in there. I've just got some AC estimates being done. SPX 30-minute blue line. Yeah, that's where it's going down to today or tomorrow. Your Sunday night calls. Thank you, Steve, for that. I don't see anybody on TikTok. All right, you sure it's coming over, Ray, or? You sure it's coming over? Maybe not, that's cool, but okay. Yeah. Go ahead and thank you. And tell him to tell you what's his odds and things you think that actually after the notice for that. Thank you, Ray. Oh, you ever see that movie, The Money Pit? I haven't. Keith says it's funny and about everybody gets sucked into a house and keep taking money. What I feel like they're not money. Oh yeah, look at that buy. Bam, what are we in that buy on? Is that US30? Oh, US30 is a thing of gorgeousness. Look at it go. US30 is going to go up. Let me see if it's going to tap its blue line on the 5-minute. Let me see SPX. I don't even know what SPX doing. Oh, we only have NAS over there. Yeah, NAS is in full-on sell stop mode. SPX is a 1-minute buy stop filling the gap. US30 is just shooting upwards. There's nothing you can do about this. You didn't even have a chance to get back in it. It's going to go up and touch its 5-minute line. Getting close. Let me see SPX. SPX has not gotten to its 5-minute line yet. Let me see where NAS is at. NAS nothing. NAS is again 5-minute buy stop. NAS again is a 15-minute sell stop. Again, you're in the money with NAS. Again, if you're not taking out 15, 20 pips every time NAS goes down, that's on you. You're being greedy. All right. I'll teach you what the sniper is now. Oh, in a second, I don't know if this guy left the kitchen AC guys coming back. Good morning, Dragon. Welcome aboard, by the way. Sean T, thank you again, Kev, for everything. The system is and I agree. Good morning, Sean T. Good morning, Cameron. Sorry, 15 minutes sell stop on NAS. Plus 3 pips. Be nice, Kev. Looks like 4-hour SPX buy stop LNG. Well, hold on, guys. This is what you guys should be looking at right here. 2 out of the 3, 3 out of the 4, 2 out of the 3. So again, we have NAS and US30. We're fully expecting the others to go down. So either NAS is going to pop back up here in a second, or you're going to see it roll down to its 30-minute like I called last night. That's all. So just play your 1 minute. I'll explain how that works. You guys are jumping around with me. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, T-Mark. Yep, you're watching on both. Camera dealers. I should be in a new place for you, YouTube to be better soon. So hopefully that'll be the case. Billy Raymond. Oh, by the way, how many thumbs up do we have? Shoot, hold on a second. 62. Oh, that's cool. 63 out of 70. That's cool. All right. Let's see. Marcus Mike Jones, do you get your email alerts? Your channels? Do you get your email? Scanner page, right? No, you don't get emails from the scanner. That's not correct. I sent those emails out myself. That looks like the 4-hour SPX buy stop on gauge. I don't know. I'm not looking at SPX at the moment, but I will. Cameron, the sell stop on NAS 30 hit. Yes, you're definitely in the money on the NAS. I'm watching that in US30. Welcome aboard, Dragon. Thank you. 15 minutes sell stop. Yes, you have to call that in order what they have. What's that point? I have not seen that. What's that left? There's a whole bunch of things. I don't know what you mean. Are you on TikTok? Yeah, you're on TikTok, Shanti. This right here, this is the upcoming, this is the money printing scanner of the history of the world. Last night when I used this, hello? Hello?
Well, what's the bill and the zip code on this card?
Hold on. This is the same zip code we're in. So it's 3687. Yes, sir. So $600 for that the little engine thing later that and nothing else. And then what that six code, because it was built in the Ford. So will it not be? Yeah. But we know that before the barrier wasn't working properly. So if there's other fixes and they fix it, then that's the thing. No, everything in total, guys. When you say it's perfect, no, I mean, that's nothing perfect. So if there's 3 or 4 days that went perfectly fine, not unless you look at it. Then you move the unit over to the frequency, and whatever that did, stop it from the motor and anything in there working for this case. Then in which case, we call that an extinction because no AC gas is not injected in it. So electrician gas came out, and then he rewired that motor that might be replacing the $600. He rewired it to keep on, and he still throwing that. So the motor was working before, and there was kind of a feeling in that way like that before, but I'm concerned with the fact that it wasn't working once we moved it. That's not still working. What about the training? What did you comment about? Okay, here's this. What's the next most expensive thing that you need to be replaced in that if, whatever?
Sometimes.
Precious. Good morning, everybody. We're back. Huh? All right, did everyone miss me? Talking about AC stuff. Lord help me. I guess some good stuff. Maybe. Sounds like it. USA trade was fire, says Dragon. Not SPX sell stop, not buy. I don't know whose user is saying something. What do we got going on? Yeah, I called out those buy stops. The blue line was amazing. That's a scanner. SPX 30-minute buy stop to the blue line. I'd have to look at that. I don't know. Good morning, Scott. Welcome aboard, Dragon. Okay, so I didn't miss anything. All right, guys. You guys get to hear a whole bunch of stuff you don't want to hear about my the new property me and Bri got. So yeah. It's been just funny. All right, we have 2 out of 3. So what are we looking at? NAS. What is NAS? We have nice looking buy stop on US30. Have we hit the 5-minute line yet? Nope, but we're getting very, very close. H&H, horseshoes and hanging H, close enough. SPX, oopsie. Here comes SPX up to its 5-minute blue line. Oh, no. It's going on and on about how great that unit is. It's like the best unit in the history of the world. It has a $1,200 thermostat that talks to it. And it's not that the heat is not hooked up, it's the heat pump running through there. So whoever looked at that didn't know what he's talking about. It's the best unit you can buy, basically, that's in that thing. The best unit ever. And he goes, there's nothing colder. You couldn't buy a unit that's even better. Then he started saying everything is wrong. Yeah, but it's $1,600 for the motor, and then if you needed it, like $800 for the board, the motherboard that's in there. So I thought, well, hell yeah, let's give it a shot and see if it works, because he was saying how great it is. But it was cold. I kept telling you it was super cold, and we did what we do it. Anyway, sorry guys. So anyway, Precious here with us. Everyone say good morning, Precious. Good morning, Corey Washington. Good morning, Scott. Precious says good morning to everybody. Yeah, I just got on. It's been crazy, man. Well, I was on like 9:15, 9:17, something like that. Where are we at? SPX 30 sell stop, not a buy. Yeah, later in the day, it's a sell stop that has to flip and form. Speaking of which, we're getting a lot of headroom on the whole sniper system. So I have the sniper system worked out, basically working for sure the 1 minute, for sure the 5 minute, 90% for sure the 15 minute, and it looks like we might be able to suck out of this thing a 30-minute trades also. So wow, you guys should be really excited about that. All free, by the way, no extra charge.
If you get this thing.
Yeah, once you buy the sniper system. The sniper system itself is still $1,500. Yeah, we need that now. $1,500 head. No, it's $150. Fill in the gap, buy, stop. SPX would have been money. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. The NAS is doing NASy things. NAS is arching up. We're going to form a 1 minute sell stop on NAS soon. And then go over to US30. US30 is just rocketing to the moon. It won't take the word now. Let me see what SPX is doing. Is SPX to its 5 minute? SPX is, damn, really, really close to its 5 minute buy. Nice. Remember, you stay in these buy stops until it knocks and takes to take profit out. If you open up more than 2, you open up 2, close one down after you make on SPX, for instance, about 2-3 pips, get out, and then just go ahead and go back in. Oh, that's right. Move it to break, your other one to break even, and then let it ride. That's what you're doing on SPX, and then also what you're doing on US30 at this point. Look at US, you can't even get back into US30. That's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and say US30 is close enough, hitting its blue line. I know NAS went up and came close enough. Or did NAS trip it? I think NAS tripped it. Hold on. No, it got close enough also. 5 buy stop, NAS 100. 5 minute buy stop, NAS 100. 1 minute sell stop, NAS 100. It's not officially, it's got to pull back up on that. Your 15-minute sell stop has made shit ton of money for you on NAS 100. Money in the bank, just perfection. And yeah, we're nowhere near where it's going. So perfection. I think this is going to rise up a little bit more. Hook can come back down. We'll make some more money in a second. All right, morning, Precious. Good morning, Matt Cook says. Scott says. Good morning, Bree, from about a dozen people in there. Paul, Kenneth, Mary, Aaron. Precious says, good morning to you guys. All right, so, boom, 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 boom. Let's see if we can really show you. I think it was. No, it was not. Maybe it was. Oh wow, it's been that long ago? Shit. Yeah, so this is how the system works. Everybody new that's out there. Anybody has questions that's new that would like to call in, please let us know. Anyone new? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop above the line. We do have the sniper system now, by the way, which is a little more specific, but that's additional charge, so we're not going to worry about that. Matter of fact, we'll drop that way down so you don't have to worry about it too much. All right, so if you're going to get the system, it's very simple to use, but it is a different language. So just imagine yourself learning a new language. That's thanks to Bri again. If you're trying to learn Spanish, some people can pick that up quickly and some people can't. In this case, you're learning a new trading language. And that's probably why so many people have an easier time that's never traded before, because they're just learning a language for the first time. Interesting. Love the analogy. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop above the line over here somewhere, boop, up it goes. And that was that open. That's all you do. I see the 5 minutes almost touched. So if you need to go ahead and buy it, matter of fact, I'm going to switch up my wording and go back to where I used to have it. There we go. If you want to go ahead and buy it, you come over to here and you go to thesafetytrade.com. Thesafetytrade.com. Make sure you type that in as one word. You come down here and you get the $575, or you can sign up for the alerts. The alerts give you, let me move this to the other. The alerts give you access to the calls I make in the morning. When I call the blue lines this morning, I sent out an email saying US30 hit it, look for NAS and SPX hit it. Then SPX hit it, and I said now SPX has hit it, and US30 look for NAS hit it. Then NAS hit it, Precious. And I all did it as I called it, and it was through the emails and messages on Discord. So anyway, so that was pretty cool. There you go, $575 a year. And then you get your type form that walks you through it, holds your hand on what to do. But please, please do not get the system if you can't follow simple little instructions. But if you can, the car dealing place is one that you want to talk to. Maybe let me see if we can do it. There's the type form itself, gives you videos, gives you exactly what to do, how to do it, that type of thing. So just go ahead and look through that. And then when you get that, and then it'll hold your hand and walk you through it. Everything you need to know. Why is it mobile? There you go. And then there's a video like how to sign something, what to do, how to set up your charts. Everything's in there. So that's called your type form. You'll get that right after purchase. And then you schedule 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on Mondays, which is today. I do the newbies. All the new people who just bought will do today. And then Tuesday at 2:30, I do all the continuing ed, or the advanced training for everybody. And I do that in small groups, and I do that live. So you always have small group and live on that. So that's how that works. And then here we go. Nope. Nope. And there is the scanner. Look at that. What do we got? 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute buy stop. NAS 100. 5 minute buy stop, NAS 100. 15 minute sell stop, again NAS 100. You've already been in the money at least at least 3 times, 20, 30, 40, 50 pips up on the sell stop. At least 3 times. 5-minute buy stop has been engaged, and I'm sure you're in the money. There you go. Watch it go up. And hold on, there's your money. You're in the money on that. Where's SPX? That was a hit. SPX is so close to touching. Bingo, boppo, bango. There it is right there. Let me see if US30. US30. Oh, wow. Let's zoom in now that we're getting down to neck and neck. Down to a photo finish, guys. Let's see. We have super close on US30. Let me see SPX. No, US30 is closer. Let's see if NAS is going to make a strong push up towards the end here. 11 sounds good. Yeah. I hope the weather's better by then.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's called H&H. Close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. US30 5-minute. I'm calling it. US30 has hit its 5-minute blue line or close enough. No, I don't care. Take your profit and get out. If you open up 2, move the other one into break even. You're looking at SPX. SPX, close enough. Don't care if it hits it or not. H&H. Horseshoes and hand grenades. That just means if you're standing next to a hand grenade that goes off, you're going to get killed anyways. Much like this. If you're close enough to the blue line, it's going to go off. It's going to be close enough. It's close. Here's your SPX. Let's see what NAS is doing. NAS, if you're up and in profit, you're probably up somewhere in the range of 10, 15, 20 pips. Take your profit out, move the other one to break even. And if you're not in the take profit, or if you didn't take the trade, then don't worry about it. But I think we have that US30 touch. No. Oh my goodness. Look at how close. Look at how close that is. Boom, right to it. Crazy. Anywho, can we get you in again? Probably not. Let me see something here. Sell stop 1 minute, NAS 100. 5-minute buy stop, NAS 100. Nothing. I can't call anything on. That's good. Probably done what it's going to do. Short term, that is. Look at that. Damn, so close. All right. USD CAD says no. Sure. Good morning, Health, Family, Wealth, says to Bri. LT says good morning, Bri. Ken says good morning, Bri. Larry says good morning, Aaron says good morning, Bri. Paul says good morning, Bri. All right. USD CAD mode. USD CAD. Let's take a look at USD CAD. Nothing. 5 was a 5-minute nothing. That's 5-minute buy. 15-minute. 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. Too late. It came down and hit it. There's nothing you can do. Look. This is how easy it is to use the system. Please understand. Red, 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 green, red, red. Put a sell stop in. Wait for it to go down to its blue line. This has been on our scanner on USD CAD. Let's take a look at Forex. I'm sure it would have called it. Let's take a look and see. Right there, 15-minute sell stop. Well, boom! Look at this shit. Look at how gorgeous the scanner is. You can only get the scanner by getting the safety trade system. It's $50 a month for 2 rooms. Look at USD CAD. Is he in the system? Mo, are you in the system? Why are you asking me? 15-minute sell stop SS1. SS1 to the one. This is going to the blue line, and it did it. USD CAD was a sell stop 1. Called out by the scanner. Absolute perfection. Always is. It trades just like me. That's why it works. Absolute perfection. Here's so much clearer. I had to leave YouTube. There you go, Ducky. Head on over to TikTok. TikTok, you should have both open anyways. That's how I would watch it. That's what I am watching. I have both mine open. That's what I did. Everyone see this. SS1 means sell stop 1. SS1 means it's comparing the 15-minute and 30-minute. It means the 30-minute was close on its sell stop line. So that means USD CAD was an SS1. Perfection. And there's nothing else to call. If you want me to call higher time frames, I can, but it's probably just going to be silly and a waste of time. And look at the people on TikTok. Watch this when I expand this for you. Watch the power in the palm of your hands. Look at the scanner now. People on TikTok, look at the scanner. Look at the scanner. Scanning every major and cross of Forex humanly possible. Look at it. Look at them all. Boom, 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 boom. Look at them. People on TikTok are getting an eye for it. Usually was thing is so funny. It's not anymore. How do I grab this thing? Now, let's go to indices. It's trading all right. Is trading all and any and all indices, including NAS, SPX, US30. Is trading oil and gold in the same room. And you can look and see all of these trading at one time, all time frames, all of them at once. That's what this what the scanner is trading right now. Let me go back over here. Cryptos. Again, I would never trade cryptos without it. There's a new Deutsche 1 minute sell stop. It's trading all the major cryptos. Look at them. Buy stop on Dash, sell on Deutsche. Look, 1 minute. OMG Bit, 1 minute sell stop. Look at them all. It's checking. Crazy. And also, there's even more. It checks all the stocks for you too. Whoa, we have a new Google sell stop. 1 minute. Microsoft sell stop, 1 minute. Apple sell stop, 1 minute. Those are all new. Look, it has 55 different stock symbols. It scans all 8 time frames. Google, look at them all. Look at them all. This is crazy. $50 a month gets you 2 rooms after you buy the system. I don't even know what top is. Look at them. Wow. So yeah, the scanner. If you like to trade, and you like to trade more than, well, even if you like to trade 1 or 2 symbols, I still use a scanner because it keeps track of those for you. So it's trading like me, so you won't make an error on your reads. That's all. So USD, do you want me to go higher time frames? I don't know. Nothing. 4 hour daily buy to the blue line. Weekly, daily, weekly sell. Weekly, monthly buy to the blue line. All right, what's going on with US30? 1 minute. Farting around doing nothing. NAS. Major money on the buy stop on the 5 minute. And it is still a 1 minute sell stop, but it hasn't engaged, so don't worry about that. SPX. Nothing. Yeah, it hasn't touched the 5 minute yet, but it's close enough. I would exit those trades if I were you guys and just break even on those. Alright, we'll watch NAS a little bit more. Scanning on every time frame too. Correct, every time frame, all 8 time frames. The sniper available now. No, Dr. McCain has not been released yet. Promise you'll know when it is though. Gold 39 buy stop is in the money. Let's look at gold. Sorry, I haven't really looked at anything this time. I'm a tad bit busy. 1 minute. 1 minute buy. 5 minute. 5 minute sell. 15 minute. 30 minute buy. 30 minute buy to the blue line. 30 minute buy to the blue line gold. 4 hour sell to the blue line gold. I do want to look at ERUSD because I know you guys had some troubles last week. I kept calling for ERUSD to be a buy stop. I went in those options, remember, 1, 2, 3. We had a triple bottom, 1, 2, 3. Then it shot up. But we knew it was a buy stop the whole entire time because USD Chef is the complete opposite 4 hour. You can clearly see this was a sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. So they were just waiting and bullshitting around doing their usual shit. But I called that out perfectly for you, and I started calling that out back on 6/23, and the system god Bri all called this out perfectly through me with 83 pips up now on ERUSD. Very simple on that one. ERUSD, nothing. I'm sure this is a 5 minute. It's got to be at least a 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minute buy stop. 15 minute, 30 minute buy stop. And this is easy. They're just like taking minutes and the gauge. That's it. Let's take a look at NAS. And see if we can get that one up over here. Yeah. Nothing in on the sell stop. It is a 5-minute buy stop. It's engaged, or it has been engaged. You're definitely in the money. You can either get out 20, 30 pips up on the buy. The sell has not engaged at all. It's now flipped. You can see that the most important indicator in history of the box is flipped. So now you're going to see this entry go up even higher now on NAS. Learn to trade, watch it go up. Learn to trade for once in your lives. Buy the system, then unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading, relearn the correct way of trading, the safe trade system, and then teach people. I can't stress it enough. Teach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people the system. Once you do that, you just keep the same system you have. You don't buy it for everybody. Just use your system you have, and then once you do that, you'll understand it way better. Promise me. What's up, Jen? What's up, Sog, Mangela, Eric? I'm so excited for this sniper. Dr. McCain. By the way, does anybody new want to call in for a minute? You can call in, ask questions, feel free. You have to be from America or have a U.S. number. I don't care which. And Dr. McCain, it's not only just scalping the 1 minute now, it's also doing the 5-minute and 15-minute. Well, 1 minute, 5-minute for sure. And the 15-minute looks like it's going to be done by then, and the 30-minute also. All of that's included for free. The same, not for free. For the same $150 a month, you're going to get the 1-minute scanner, the 5-minute sniper scanner, the 15-minute, and you'll have a 30-minute showing what it does. I'll show you how that works. So they're all included. I can't wait for the sniper also. I know so. Oh, okay, you know, cool. Does anybody would like to call in with a U.S. number so that we can talk? Feel free. All right, look at it go up before your very eyes. Again, you guys should be buying it for your nieces and nephews and brothers and cousins and aunts and uncles, and just buy it for everybody you know. What better gift you can give them than this system where they can start earning money? Your children. Can you imagine teaching your dad, somebody that stays at home and relaxing and chilling all day, and he can make an extra, like Phil, like Kimberly, like Tommy, like Koroff, like tons and tons and tons, and Patrick. Where's Patrick this morning? Oh, he's on his crew. No, he's on vacation. Look at it go up before your very eyes. As called out. As done. There's your buy stop. There's your 5-minute. Oh, but it was a 1-minute sell stop too. Yes. Did it engage? No. And there's another way of knowing, but I'm not going to teach you that yet because we don't know the sniper system yet. And there it is. And there you're in the money. Now, if you haven't sold this and you're up 30, 40 pips on NAS, you're being greedy. But you said it's going to the 5-minute blue line. It is. Why not, if you open up 2, sell 1, move the other one to break even, and keep the other one open, do that. I'd love to join you on these buys and sells, but I'm going to go into I'm so sick of these tiny little accounts. I have like $200 in this one account, $250, whatever I drop it to, and it's too small to even buy what I want. I'm going to go into one of my accounts that has either 50 thou or 100 thou on it, so I can start making some big moves with you guys this week. And there you go. Last 30 minutes sell stop. It's not going to help me on those entries. Nice, Cameron. Yeah, I'm sure it will. Wait till you actually see what it does. Then you're going to help with your entries, and it's going to help with everything you trade. Everything. Oh. All right, no one wants to come on. Help in a second says NAS is a 30-minute sell stop. I believe, isn't that what I call 30-minute sell stop? Yeah. It is. It's technically a 15-minute still, but it's soon to be a 30. Yep, there it is. It's almost there. See how it's wavering? Once 5 minutes and 49 seconds go by and this is green, it will lock that in. It only locks in after close of the candle. See how it moves from red to green, red to green? That's trying. And it's going up, so it probably almost for sure will go turn green. And we'll close it out. I'll lock that in. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-dah. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Sunny, your sunshine, come on, yeah. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-dah. Precious, they missed your singing, Precious. I'm telling you, you gotta go back to co-hosting like I've been saying. All for surely at this point. Well, we gotta get you less worried. Listen there. Listen. What do you have to say? Okay. No overwhelm for practice. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing a scan. By the way, you're about to see the final push-up for US30 going to its blue line. I don't know what NAS is about to do. Hell, SPX, NAS might beat the whole damn thing. You're about to see the final push-up for SPX to go to its 5-minute blue line. It'll do it right here. And there it goes. Bippity boppity boo. Boo. Bippity boppity boo 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 boo. Oh, it's so close. Come now. You'll see. Well, I hope this dips down further for you guys so we can get a nice big pullback here and get in again one more time. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I'm hoping. But I don't know about that. Can't back that up. Let me see. What's going to happen first? US30. I think US30 might give us another buy and opportunity here. 1 minute fill in the gap, buy, stop, US30. We'll see. Maybe it'll come down and form a fill on. US oil, 1 minute buy, stop. Let's take a look at the US oil. US oil, let's see. US oil, 1 minute. What's going on here? Come down, come up, and over 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15. I get broke through. No, it's already. See that 15-minute buy stop on US oil a little bit ago was perfection. Yeah, be careful. Don't get suckered into that one. Where are we at? 1 minute's already above that. Where's the 5 minute? We're waiting for 5 minutes. US oil, 1 minute buy stop, waiting for it to touch its 5 minute. The 5 minute blue line is below it on that. I'm confused on that camera. Yeah, I don't see what you're seeing. Nope. Any rate, 1 minute buy stop US oil, but it was a 15-minute. You're picking up table scraps at this point. I still suspect it to dip down and come back up again on oil. Daily sell stop US oil to the blue line, by the way. Oh, I love this blue line. Yeah, I don't know on that. I don't see a 5 minute sell stop at the moment. Let me see. Not pulled back enough yet on NAS. Keep waiting. US30. Buy stop 1 minute US30. We can watch that for a while, I guess. I would like it to pull back even further, though. I don't know how much further we'll get to pull back on this particular movement because of where we're at with everything, actually. Let this keep dipping. Give it about 1 to 6 minutes, and we should see something on this. Let me just give that 1 to 6. And we'll see something here. I think we're going to see that pull back up. My precious. Sleeping in here.
Good morning, Rob. How are you doing?
Yes.
What did I say about that?
So I'm up on the 4-hour blue line. US oil, yes, they're identical. UK and US oil are identical. The 4-hour blue line. I thought I just went over that.
Okay.
Somebody wrote in a question here.
Well, I don't think we have a question.
Oh, he was asking if I could look at the US oil fly. Let's see. Well, in the 4 hour, to the 4 hour blue line. Wait, what is it? Yeah. Okay, which entry did it use? Probably a 30-minute maybe? Yeah, 30-minute buy stop. 30-minute buy stop to the 4 hour blue line would be the correct entry, Gary. That is correct. Well, that is good. And there's your 1 minute buy stop, by the way, on UK oil. I think so. That's what I'm telling you. I'd say that's a very good call then. 1 minute buy stop, US30 to the 5 minute blue line, US30. Rob Bruce says good morning, Bri. Evan Jaruski. SPX 30-minute sell stop. It is. Probably a 30-minute now or an hour. I don't know whether I haven't checked it anymore. How many people do we have live on YouTube right now? Yeah, see the problem comes in. There's a horrible thing out how to fix it. Okay. It's pulling back even further on US30. Let it come down more on the okay, and we're too low too. It's too high on that. By the way, Precious, let's take a look at something. Oh, shit, besides the 2 out of 3 scanner working amazing, I'm going to call it 1 out of 3. Let's take a look at what I was showing you the other day. This is NAS. Nope, let's go to US30. Where is NAS? US30. Hick 'em up, truck. Hick 'em up, truck. Precious got the hick 'em up trucks. All right, right here, Precious. There's a whole bunch of things going on, but just so we're on the same thing right here. So the pullback was here, right? Is that open? And then the purple, don't worry about the yellow, that's just for future things when I go forward. But anyway, the purple is here, high, see it flat? You can see it clear on the screen over there. And then you see that the yellow was down below. And you can see the safety trade. Green, 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 red, green, green, up to the blue line. And that's the trade one, okay? Just like that. Easy, easy, easy. It's a little different when you see it. It's not exactly the same on NAS. NAS kind of close. I'm sorry? Well, NAS. Oh, you mean these things? Yeah, I just switched them around. Just for future stuff, because they're not really needed on the higher time frames. If you look right here, then you see the difference between what NAS did and what US30 did. See how the purple, the yellow was separated to go down, right? But these were dipped. See how they're dipped? So they're not the same, that's all. They're just, they're both good, they both went up, right? But the one's just better, the US30 is just better, that's all. This is form the proper safety trade. Anybody have any questions over anything? Anybody have any concerns? You can email in your questions. Bri thought of that. Very genius idea. 1 minute buy stop. It says right on the thing like this.
Yeah.
30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. US30. You can enter it off the 1 hour line if you want. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop US30, and you gotta wait for the next nails this morning. All right. Rob, everybody, I think we're good. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok? I'm gonna head over to YouTube and make a few call outs. Anybody have any questions on TikTok? I'm going to close this down and head over to YouTube. I'm going to whip through a few symbols on YouTube to give my final little thoughts of the day on for today. Beautiful morning. Made a lot of money on that re-entry on NAS, the first entry on NAS. Made a lot of money on our overnight calls on the buy stops on US30, SPX, and NAS 100. Currently waiting for either the 1 minute buy stop to engage or the 30-minute 1 hour sell stops to engage on all three technically. You're welcome, Mac Cook. If you have any questions that won't show, I don't see any questions on TikTok. If you have any questions, please bring them over to the Gmail and ask us over at Gmail. Nice little pullback here. I love this pullback right now. All right. TikTokers, you guys have a good day. We shall see you on YouTube. Heading over to YouTube for a minute, everybody. All done off of TikTok. All right, YouTubers. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? That NAS 15 itself just hit. Yeah, buddy, so just let me make sure he's not going to get crushed here. I don't think we're done going to those 5-minute line, guys, but whatever. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, if you're back in it again. Oh my God, it's so funny to me. Let's see, are you back in it again or not? I don't know. Let me see something. Anyway, well, for about at least the fourth time, you're in about 20 pips, and you're as much as 40, 50 pips before. I would just be careful with NAS. It's forming another 5-minute buy stop. 1 minute buy stop, they always form first. Just be careful with that. If you made your 10, 15 pips profit on the NAS 15-minute sell stop, take it and run. Or if you've opened up two, you can close one down and keep the other one open. 15-minute sell to the 30-minute blue line is where it's ultimately heading, as I called out last night. That's all. That's 5 pips sounds good. Smart man, Cameron. Take that money and run, brother. Thank you, Kevin Bri. You're welcome, Kim. All right, anything for us? Anybody else, precious? Thanks for showing your knowledge. You're welcome, Aladar. Thank you for being here. Thank you all for being here. All right, take care and God bless. We'll be on later this evening. That, Lord willing, is what I'm aiming for, hugely aiming for. Might stay on for a couple hours, actually. All right, talk to y'all later.